welcome back to our channel. My name's Bridie.
And my name's Amelia. And today we're making Aunt Patty's famous cinnamon buns. So Aunt Patty is one of my husband's auntie who lives in Canada, and we recently went to Canada as a family and met her among other family members as well, and we had a wonderful time. It was so good. We learnt so much, we saw so much. It was just absolutely amazing. And Aunt Patty actually is famous for these cinnamon buns in the family, and we thought we would make them today because they are so good. So we hope that you can make these at home as well. So let's get started. So you're going to put in all your ingredients into the saucepan. First we're going to put in the 2 cups of milk. Next we're going to put in half a cup of butter,
Half a cup of water, half a cup of sugar, a third of a cup of cornmeal, and 2 teaspoons of salt.
Now we're going to put the pot on the stove and bring to the boil and stir frequently, then set aside to cool.
To make your dough for the Cinnabons, I've measured out 7 cups of flour, making 2 big batches today, just so Amelia can have some and I can have some.
It's actually what the recipe calls.
It is, yeah,
but it's...
I was shocked.
I think it's going to be a big batch.
We're going to pop 2 cups of flour into your bowl.
7 gram sachets of yeast, so 14 grams total. They'll go into the flour, and we're just going to stir that to combine the 2 ingredients together. This is the cornmeal mixture we made on the stove earlier, and we let it cool. Just make sure it is cool when you put it in. If it isn't, then it could kill the yeast, which will not make it rise, of course. Beat the mixture on a low setting until smooth.
So next you'll be adding 2 eggs to the mixture.
Can I do a fancy egg crack? I've always wanted to do it on camera. Sure. I haven't done it for a while, so no judging people. Oh, I'm nervous.
Oh, nice!
Did I get a shell in there?
Oh, a shell!
It's the teeniest, tiniest shell.
It was still pretty good.
I'm impressed.
So add in 1 more cup of flour with the eggs.
And then just beat the mixture together for 1 minute.
Add all of your remaining flour. So in total there is 7 cups in this dough. Beat until it's all combined. Combined all the ingredients to make our dough. We're going to knead it for 6 to 8 minutes.
Yes.
I do not own a rolling pin, so we're going to use my water bottle.
Aunt Patty would be proud. So make sure you flour your surface before you knead, and flour your rolling pin so then it doesn't stick to any surface.
And how are you kneading right now, Amelia?
You know what? I'm just copying the people of Little Women. Watch Little Women when I was little, loved it, and I always thought, oh, I'll make bread and I'll wear my cute apron. Now you're going to spray your bowl with some oil so then the dough doesn't stick to the bottom.
And cover with a tea towel.
Leave to rise in room temperature for about an hour. Now we're going to be working on the topping for the cinnamon buns. I'm going to put half a cup of butter in the pot,
half a cup of milk,
and 2 cups of brown sugar. Pop it on the stove and cook until well dissolved and stirring frequently.
going to be preparing the filling for the dough. So we're going to pop in half a cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon,
and a quarter cup of softened butter. So now that we've greased the pan, we're going to pour in the topping mixture just to cover a little bit of the bottom of the pan.
Next you'll be putting in the pecans.
And just set that aside until your dough is ready to go in.
And we're gonna pop down some flour on the bench. As I said before, I do not have a rolling pin. So we're gonna use my water bottle. All right, I'm gonna roll that out.
That's hilarious.
Until it's about half a centimeter thick. So with the paste that we made, we're going to spread it all over the dough.
Now that you've done the paste, make sure you roll from the largest side of the rectangle tightly into a sausage. The trick would be to cut a little slit in about half the distance of your roll, and then another slit, and then another little cut in the other half of your roll. And then same on the other side, so it's about even all the way through. Then continue to do that as you go along, and that will create an even roll size.
You're a genius.
I saw on YouTube, but we'll call myself a genius. Once you've done that, cut all the way through, and then you'll have perfect sized cinnamon rolls. How cute does that look on the camera? Oh, cute.
Once you have placed all the Cinnabons into the tray, it's going to look a lot like this. We're going to pop it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes, and we've set the oven to 195 degrees, preheated about 30 minutes prior. Good. Okay.
Oh,
Ready?
they're very hot.
Yeah, they are hot. 3, 2, 1.
Oh gosh.
Oh, it's so good.
Oh wow. It's so fluffy.
Yeah. The sauce at the bottom is like so nice.
Yeah. So caramelly.
That's so good.
I like the pecans. I'd put more pecans on. Probably.
If you can, add more pecans.
That's so good.
I love this sauce.
I love the dough. It's just so, oh hello. It's just so fluffy and like. Thanks, Aunt Patty. We missed you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Oh, click the bell button as well.
If you want to see more yummy things like this.
We're planning on doing more cooking videos, so
Yeah.
stay tuned.
Bye.
Bye.
That's perfect for
Amelia,
lunch.
I need to get it on film.
Oh crap, sorry.
Oh, again! And it's recording!
Why do you
What is wrong with my body?
Old mate here does something different.
Okay, now sit.
I'd say use a spoon.
Yeah. Stupid window.
I dropped the metal spoon in.
Okay, pop the dough in a bowl and cover it with a tea towel.
It's not a tea towel.
Nice.
I grabbed the wrong item. But I was so prepared.
Because you thought, oh, that's the pretty tea towel. We'll use that.
I still have a pretty one.
Yeah, that'll do.
What? Don't get away.
And then cover it and leave in water. You're right.
Actually, no.
This thing is so temperamental. Help me. Oh.
Some flour.
We introduced this? No, we haven't.
Yeah, we have. Oh, we have.
Yeah. We did the whole pan patty thing.
Yeah.
Did we do anything? Oh, we made this.
Right. Rolling.
Check the gate. I remember that.
Check the gate.
All these sayings.
And action. Action. Do they go and action or do they go and? Depends on the scene. The scene, the actor.
Yeah, but in the other ones.
That's pretty good. Let's go.